Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to customize your name with help of resin art.
Stirring sticks, molds, optional, gloves, safety glasses, respirator, disposable work surface, acrylic paint, optional, glitter, optional, instructions. 1. Prepare your workspace. Cover your work surface with a disposable cloth or plastic sheet. Put on your gloves, safety glasses, and respirator. 2. Mix the resin and hardener according to the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to measure carefully, as the wrong ratio can prevent the resin from curing properly. 3. If you want to add color to your resin, stir in a few drops of acrylic paint. You can also add glitter for a sparkly effect. 4. Pour the resin into your mold or onto your work surface. If you are using a mold, be sure to spray it with mold release spray first to prevent the resin from sticking. 5. Use a toothpick or other sharp object to write your name in the resin. You can also use stencils or stamps to create different designs. 6. Let the resin cure for 24 to 48 hours. Once it is cured, carefully remove it from the mold and peel off any excess resin. 7. Display your finished piece. You can hang it on the wall, use it as a coaster, or give it as a gift. Here are some additional tips. Work in a well-ventilated area. Do not use resin near heat or open flames. Store resin in a cool, dark place. Clean up spills immediately with soap and water. Here are some ideas for customizing your resin name art. Use different colors of resin. Add glitter or other embellishments. Embed objects in the resin, such as beads, shells, or dried flowers. Create a layered effect by pouring different colors of resin on top of each other. Use stencils or stamps to create different designs. Here are some examples of resin name art. With a little creativity, you can create a beautiful and unique piece of resin name art.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.